Question number 3. A hollow cylinder which is open at both the ends has radius of r, radius equal to 3 into 10 power plus or minus 0.1 centimeter. Okay. This is your r naught plus or minus delta r. Okay. And the length of this is L0 plus or minus delta L. What is the value with this absolute uncertainty of the surface area of the cylinder? Is asking you about the absolute uncertainty of the surface area. So what is surface area given by? A is given by 2 pi r multiplied by L. Okay, smaller over here. Okay. So delta A by A is nothing but delta R by R plus delta L by L. Right. So what I will do is, what is delta R here? 0.1 divided by R is 3 centimeter plus delta L is 0.1 divided by 15. So when I solve this, what is the answer I get here? So I get this as the LCM is 15. LCM is 15. Then 3 5s are 0.5 plus 0.1, which is equal to 0.6 divided by 15. And let me calculate this. This should be 0.6 divided by 15 is equal to 0.04. This should be 0.04, and as a result of it, delta A will now be equal to 0.04 times A, which should be equal to 0.04 multiplied by, A we did not calculate, we calculate A also. A is equal to 2 pi RL, which should be 2 pi multiplied by, what is the value of R? 3 multiplied by L is 15. When I do this one here, what do I get? This I get this as 2 into 3.14 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 15. I get this as 282.6. 282.6. So I need to multiply this by 282.6. When I do this, what do I get here? I get this as multiplied by 0.04 will be 11.304. 11.304 I get. Okay. Now which is the right answer here? 282.6 and 11.3. See, 282.7 and 0.2. So this is wrong. These two are already wrong. So 282.6, 11.6, I make it as 10. So A should be your right answer. Okay.